Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lois Ndege. I am a mechanical engineer as well as a petroleum and gas engineer. Today I come bearing lovely gifts, 8 lovely gifts, and as the title of this video reads, we're going to discuss 8 car essentials. And why are all my gifts wrapped? It's because this is the Christmas period. This is the season of giving and receiving. What are we giving? We are giving gifts, but we're used to giving gifts such as perfumes, such as clothes, such as notebooks, such as pens. Why don't we give something out of the box, something we're not used to this Christmas season? And that's why I have 8 creative ideas, and those are car essentials. Your loved one will highly appreciate a car essential because they are rarely found, and our cars develop problems day in, day out. And these essentials could help us out. So without further ado, we're going to go to gift number 1. And we're going to unwrap it. Let's unwrap together. Welcome. I have a cutter here, and I'm going to just quickly unwrap this gift. Please don't look at the title of the box. Yeah, right? What matters is what is inside, not the box. So, wonderful, wonderful. I have 2 lovely essentials for the car. I'm going to keep the box away. Wonderful. These are 2 car essentials that are potential car ideas. We are going to start with the first one, which is the foam cleaner, right? It has some bristles at the cap, and it's a spray. It's a form of a spray. So, what is this foam cleaner all about? So, what is a foam cleaner, right? Is this a car shampoo? No. Please, don't call this a car shampoo. But from its name, it is called foam because it is a layer, it produces a layer of fresh foam on your car. Foam products are not car shampoos. Foam is an essential pre-wash that improves your car wash and keeps your finish brighter for longer. So foam's effectiveness during the pre-wash period is known for its consistency and chemistry, both of which make it superior more than the plain water rinse. So this foam sticks to your car for longer than the plain water rinse because the plain water rinse just runs off. Furthermore, this foam just like grips the dirt or encapsulates road grime, dust, dirt, and lifts it from the surface of your vehicle. So this is a very crucial car essential and a potential car gift. Let's watch the next video courtesy of Turtleworks.
The exclusive hybrid technology of Turtlewax's Ice Snow Foam Wash combines ultra-rich foam conditioners with biodegradable detergents, safely cleaning and preserving paint finishes. Its environmentally friendly formula can be applied to vehicles in 2 different fashions, by traditional bucket hand washing and via the use of a hose-attached foam sprayer. For a traditional hand wash, start by adding roughly 1 ounce of ice snow foam concentrate per 1 gallon of water to be used in your soap bucket. Fill the bucket with a strong stream of water to agitate the mixture and create soapy suds. Using a microfiber wash mitt, wipe the vehicle from top to bottom, section by section, periodically returning to your rinse and soap buckets to refresh the wash mitt. Once a large section or the entire vehicle has been wiped, simply rinse the suds away and towel dry. For use with a hose-attached foam sprayer, mix roughly 1 ounce of ice snow foam wash per 16 ounces of water. But for even richer foam, double or triple the amount of snow foam wash you add to the sprayer. Attach the reservoir to the nozzle and shake to mix the soapy solution. Once ready to spray, apply the ice snow foam liberally to the vehicle from top to bottom, coating either the entire car or large sections at a time. The super foaming formula with pH balanced cleaners won't strip waxes and sealants, has a pleasant bubblegum scent, and provides a long dwell time, keeping your soap suds active longer. From here, use a wet and/or soapy microfiber wash mitt to gently agitate the sprayed foam, removing dirt on exterior surfaces. Periodically refresh the microfiber mitt in a rinse bucket from section to section, and once finished wiping the applied snow foam, rinse the suds away thoroughly and towel dry the vehicle. Turtle Wax Ice line's original formulas and state-of-the-art hybrid innovations offer solutions for all premium car care needs. Designed to set the standard for residue-less wax and high shine, the Ice line continues to evolve, raising the bar even higher in the car care industry.
The second gift, or the second car essential, is the silicone dashboard leather and tire wax. Right? This is a spray, and what is it all about? This is a spray. And what is it all about? Close it. So this is a cleaner that cleans and restores dashboards and leather surfaces. So you can use it when you need a shiny, sparkling surface on your vehicle or leather surface. Always shake well before use. Hold the can 20 to 30 centimeters from the object and spray back and forth repeatedly and evenly to get that really smooth finish. Let me just close it. So that's a potential Christmas gift. Let's watch the next video courtesy of Turtle Wax.
Introducing Turtle Wax Power Out Upholstery Cleaner and Protector. The powerful foam cleans and protects while the Odor X technology seeks and destroys odors for up to 30 days. For heavy soils, use the patent-pending micro scrub brush to safely and gently clean deep into the upholstery. Then wipe clean with a microfiber cloth. For light cleaning and protection, simply spray directly onto the surface and wipe clean with a microfiber cloth. The Oxy cleaners give professional level results, adding a stain-resistant barrier and leaving a clean, fresh scent. Turtle Wax, trusted innovation inside and out. To clean and refresh every surface of your car's interior, check out these other great Turtle Wax products.
We're going to unwrap gift number 3, which is so maybe let's just finish off with the ones that are on the table. Kindly don't look at the box. What matters is what is inside. This is just a box of something else, but what is inside is a car essential. So I'm going to move this out of the way. So the third gift is a fire extinguisher, and what is it all about? So this fire extinguisher, the company is not written on the can, but this fire extinguisher, what happens is that in social media is filled with compilations of automobile fires at NASCAR races. But fires are not just a danger in motorsports. They are also a common peril for cars, trucks, and even rigs that travel on the road. So a portable car extinguisher is a smart safety choice. So motor vehicle fires can be caused by a number of factors, such as electrical or mechanical systems failing, or even the potential of oil and fuel to ignite. So for example, there can be an automobile design flaw, such as electrical issue, such as a leak in the fuel tank, or even faulty batteries. Or there can be even mechanical failures, with issues such as heating systems, engine overheating, and even the leakage of motor oil. So you need a fire extinguisher for safety measure, which is also a good idea for this to give your loved one this Christmas season, right? So that's the third gift we are done with, or the third car essential. Let's go to this large one. This lovely packaged gift or a car essential. I'm just gonna unwrap it quite fast. It has an African theme wrapping, which I'm proud of because I'm African. So this is the fourth gift. Ooh, wow, this is nice. Ooh, okay. So the fourth car essential is the first aid kit. Wow, this is lovely. I won't open it, but whenever I think of a car essential, the first thing that comes to my mind is a compact and comprehensive first aid kit. You know what? First aid kits are a bare necessity. They are extremely useful in case of car crashes and emergencies, right? So you know what? An ambulance may reach you in a matter of minutes. But every minute is crucial when it comes to saving lives. So having a stocked first aid kit at all times is the first step. So however important it is to carry a first aid kit, it is equally important to know its contents and how they're used. Today we're not going to open this first aid kit, but we have 11 contents, and next time we're going to discuss how these contents are used. So this is the fourth car essential and a good gift idea for your loved one. Because you know, anything can happen on the road, anything. So we're going to go to the fourth car essential, which is the last one. I'm just going to unwrap my gift. Wow, 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 interesting. This is an interesting one. Just going to really feel that. Wow, wow. This is a rubbing compound. And let's see inside how it is. Wow, it's a thick consistency. And what is this rubbing compound all about? Why is it such a important or crucial car essential? So a rubbing compound usually transforms worn or damaged surfaces to a new condition by smoothing scratches or even ugly paint transfer marks on your car exterior. So this simple scratch solution deep cleans and rejuvenates oxidized paint with an easy on and off application. So it returns your car back to its original color and vibrancy. So use this classic rubbing compound for your car with a clean microfiber cloth to restore your vehicle to its glossy showroom look in a matter of minutes. And this rubbing compound is applied manually, right? So this can be a really lovely gift for your loved one, and it's very crucial because on the road we have cars that can even, you know, scratch our cars, and you know, you don't want to go around with a scratched or a marked car. This is very handy. Let's watch the next video courtesy of Ben Kaler featuring Turtleworks. Enjoy.
Well, I accidentally hit a pole, and actually all this was all scraped. But I was so impressed by turtle wax rubbing compound. I just had to videotape it for you and show you just how good it is. So let me set up the camera. Make it all nice, just so you guys can actually see I'm really using it. Okay, you ready? Turtle wax rubbing compound. Opening the color. Okay, you see it's the right stuff. Need a little bit more. Okie dokie. Well, it's not, perfect, but hey, man, it's a hell of a lot better than what it was. That wasn't that long, was it? No.
Next time we're going to discuss about these remaining lovely 4 essentials. And I hope you're going to get your loved one of these ideas that I've talked about. Please, I look forward to the next video, and I look forward to you joining me so that we can finish and unwrapping all these gifts, right? So if you liked my content, please destroy the subscribe button, click the like button, and also let me know your comments in the comment section. Let me know what idea you will get your loved one this Christmas season. And also let me know if you have any query, and I'm going to answer you promptly. Until next time,